Hello everyone, this video we will look at how to configure integration of Home Assistant. Because we can see this 3 point, the Home Assistant have many components. We can also call the integration. You can see this link. There are many, almost 2,000 of Home Assistant integration. You can just click the kind. You can see many can choose which to integration. And what is the main function of the integration? That can realize the logical of some state, like some relay or some switch state when it's changed. And also you can see we can call some service, like send alarm message, send a notification. So you can see this is some state. You can see the weather forecast and maybe some battery state. So this is how to see the state. And this is call service we will test later, like send a message to your mobile phone. And this is how to configuration for the integration. So sometimes can be configuration as the configuration.yaml file. So this is a way we can use the file edit. You can write your configuration at this file content, just this file. And sometimes you can configure it in the front end interface, so that just you can click. You can see this is integration, and you can add at this button. So this is the second way. And sometimes some integration can be used in both way. You can configuration by this file, and you can also by this interface. And some components not support by this both way. Okay, let's look at some example. We can integration for COVID-19 date into your Home Assistant, and also we can integrate the moon to your Home Assistant by different way so that you can understand easily. The first we can configuration the COVID-19 date. You can see this is a link how to configure the COVID-19. That is the details, but it's very easy. You can click. We can open this window, and you can see I can just click configuration and integration. That add integration, this button, so that you can input COVID-19. You can see this is for integration, and you can see which country you lived. This is worldwide, because you can choose your country. Such as I can choose China, I'm fine China, so I can click China and click button, finished. And now you can see this generates the China COVID-19 views, 4 entities. So you can click, and this is a 4 entity. You can add to your dashboard. So we can go to the overview and edit a dashboard. And we can add a card, and I can glance, just click this glance, and you can see this COVID-19, this is confirmed, and this is death, and you can choose other options of the COVID-19, and just click save. And now you can see this is the date have displayed in Home Assistant dashboard. Just click down. And you can see this has showed the COVID-19 views confirmed and current. And this date will update every day. So this is very easy for the first way to integration. Just use the front end interface. Just click, will be finished. And the second, we can configure the moon. You can see this is different time and different date of the different strip of the moon. So this can modify this configuration.yaml file, so that I can go to this file edit, and you can find this file. Maybe you can click this and find out where is your configuration.yaml file. This file, just click, and you will see this option. This is default, so you can copy this code. The moon just like a sensor, so we can copy and paste. paste. You can see the sensor we have created a moon, and also you can create your room, your home. That is latitude and longitude. That is very accurate for your home position. So I can copy this code. I will tell you why is this code. Just copy and paste. This is the home. You will, where you position, you can maybe change to your office, your school, or your house. And this is longitude and latitude. That is, you can go to this website. That is you can also use Google Map. So you can input your house, which is your house. This is my office position. So you can just use your mouse right button to click show address. Then you will see the longitude and the latitude. This is the data. You can see I can copy and paste and paste here. I can copy and paste and just replace by yourself. And this icon is home, or maybe your school, and this radius. Radius is 100 meters. You can set, if your house is very big, you can set the number is large, such as 200 and 300. So that after your configuration complete, you just click save. And the configuration, we need to reboot the setting and restart the Home Assistant. Okay, restart. When you restart, we can see the moon. You can wait for a moment. See this message? Okay, Home Assistant is start, and you can click Overview and also add dashboard. And you can add the card. And click the glance. You can see the moon is automatically listed. So I can press save. Okay, we can click the COVID-19 because I have already showed it here. I can click and delete this and save. And this is the moon shape for your local city. And you can see this is a sensor. Because of the moon, you can travel with your home automation. This is how to configure the moon. Just like this, the moon will have different shape. So this is the two-way. One is for the click the menu, and this is the configuration for the file to integration. And also, this moon is not very important. The important and many new functions will based on the sun. So when the sun is sunset and the sun rising, and you can close the curtain or open the curtain. So that will be useful. So about the sun, how to integrate the sun. The sun is default have integrated. So you can see the configuration. You can see the file edit. Just the default config already have included the sum. So you just go to the overview and edit the dashboard. And we can add a card. You can see the sum and save. And this time you will see the sum, and we can click down. And the sum now is above the horizon. And you can click, and you will see in your local city, when is the sun setting and when is the sun rising? This is the time of the rising and this is time of the sun setting. And in future, we will use this information and link the sun setting or the sun rising for the relay output to control relay on and relay off for the home automation. So that is very useful. So this is the sum, and this is very useful. So we can see at last the integration and the add-on. The integration is the part of home assistant. This is the home assistant included function, and the add-on is not included from the home assistant. The home assistant will load the integration program through configuration.yaml file, and the home assistant supervisor will manage the add-on about the installation, configuration, and the startup and shutdown. So this is two programs of the home assistant, the add-on and the integration. The integration will include with the home assistant. Okay, this is how to integrate the home assistant, and you can see there are many components you can integration by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching.